Hello, everyone. Welcome to Daily English Conversation. I'm John, and I'm excited to clear up a common confusion today.
And I'm Olivia. Today we're tackling two small but tricky words that confuse learners constantly, still and yet.
These words both relate to time and expectations, but they're used in completely different ways. Mixing them up can make your English sound awkward or confusing.
By the end of this episode, you'll know exactly when to use still, when to use yet, and how to avoid the common mistakes that even advanced learners make.
Before we start, please subscribe to Daily English Conversation. We break down confusing English topics and make them crystal clear with practical examples.
Hit that subscribe button right now so you never miss our helpful lessons. Understanding distinctions like this is what separates good English from great English.
All right, let's dive in. First, let's understand the fundamental difference between still and yet.
Still means something continues from the past until now. It hasn't stopped or changed. Yet means something hasn't happened up to now, but we expect it to happen.
Think of still as about continuation. Think of yet as about something missing or not completed, but expected.
That's the core difference. Now let's explore each word in detail with lots of examples.
Let's start with still. This word is all about things that continue when you might expect them to stop or change.
Main use 1, showing that a situation continues from the past to the present, often surprisingly.
He's still sleeping. He started sleeping earlier and he continues sleeping now. This might be surprising because it's late.
She still lives in Paris. She lived there before and she continues to live there now. Maybe we expected her to move.
I still remember my first day of school. The memory continues from the past to now, even though it was long ago.
They're still working on the project. The work continues. Maybe we expected them to finish already.
The surprise or unexpectedness element is key. Still often suggests something continues longer than expected.
Main use 2, emphasizing that despite something else, a situation remains unchanged.
It's raining, but we can still go out. Despite the rain, going out remains possible. The rain doesn't change this.
She's tired, but she still wants to help. Despite tiredness, her willingness to help remains unchanged.
I failed the test, but I still believe I can pass the course. Despite the failure, my belief continues.
In these cases, still means nevertheless or even so. It shows something persists despite obstacles or contrasts.
Position in sentences with still, usually before the main verb but after be.
I still work there, before the main verb work. She is still here, after be.
They still haven't called. Before auxiliary verbs like haven't. We can still try. After modal verbs like can.
Now let's explore yet. This word has completely different uses.
Main use 1. In negative sentences to say something hasn't happened up to now, but is expected to happen.
I haven't finished yet. The finishing hasn't happened up to now, but it will happen. It's expected.
She hasn't arrived yet. The arrival hasn't occurred up to this moment, but we expect her to arrive.
They haven't decided yet. The decision hasn't been made up to now, but we expect a decision eventually.
He hasn't called me yet. The call hasn't happened so far, but we anticipate it will happen.
Notice these are all negative, yet in this use almost always appears with not or haven't or hasn't.
Main use 2. In questions to ask if something expected has happened up to now.
Have you finished yet? Asking if the finishing has occurred up to this moment.
Has she arrived yet? Asking if the arrival has happened up to now.
Have they decided yet? Asking if the decision has been made so far.
Did you call him yet? Asking if the call has happened up to this point.
Questions with yet ask about the current status of something we expect to happen or be completed.
Main use 3, meaning so far or up to this time, what has or hasn't happened in a period.
This is the best movie I've seen yet, meaning up to this time or so far in my life.
This is his biggest achievement yet, his biggest achievement up to this point in time.
Main use 4, meaning even or still in comparisons, emphasizing degree.
It's getting even colder. Can also be, it's getting colder yet, meaning still colder or even colder.
That's yet another problem, meaning even another or still another, emphasizing there are many.
This use is more formal and less common in everyday speech, but you'll see it in writing.
Position in sentences with yet, usually at the end of negative sentences and questions.
I haven't eaten yet. At the end, have you finished yet? At the end.
They haven't responded yet. At the end, this is the most natural position.
Now let's directly compare still and yet to see the differences clearly.
Positive versus negative. Still works in positive sentences, yet typically works in negative sentences and questions.
I still work there. Positive, continuing. I don't work there yet. Negative, hasn't started.
She's still living. Positive, continues. She hasn't woken up yet. Negative, hasn't happened.
Continuation versus expectation. Still emphasizes something continues, yet emphasizes something is expected but hasn't happened.
He still loves her. The love continues from before until now.
He hasn't told her yet. The telling hasn't happened, but we expect it will.
They're still discussing the plan. The discussion continues from earlier to now.
They haven't made a decision yet. The decision hasn't been made, but we expect them to decide.
See the pattern? Still equals ongoing action, yet equals expected action that hasn't happened.
Now let's look at common mistakes learners make with still and yet.
Mistake 1. Using yet in positive sentences. Wrong, I yet work there. Right, I still work there.
Yet doesn't work in positive statements in this way. Use still for positive continuing situations.
Mistake 2. Using still at the end of negative sentences. Wrong, I haven't finished still. Right, I haven't finished yet.
In negatives about things not yet happened, use yet at the end, not still.
Mistake 3. Confusing not yet with still not. They're different.
I'm not ready yet equals I'm not ready now, but I will be soon. Focus on future readiness.
I'm still not ready equals I wasn't ready before and I continue to not be ready now. Focus on continued negative state.
Both are correct but have different emphasis. Not yet focuses on the future change. Still not focuses on continued negative state.
Mistake 4. Wrong word order with still. Wrong, I work still there. Right, I still work there.
Still comes before the main verb, not after it. Position matters.
Mistake 5. Using yet when you mean already. Wrong, have you yet eaten in casual speech. Better, have you eaten yet or have you already eaten?
Already suggests something happened sooner than expected. Yet asks if something expected has happened. Different nuances.
Now let's discuss still in more contexts and uses.
Still can emphasize degree or quantity, meaning even more.
It's cold today, but it'll be colder still tomorrow. Even colder, more cold.
She's talented, but her sister is more talented still. Even more talented. Still can also mean motionless or quiet, a completely different meaning.
Stand still. Don't move. Remain motionless.
The water is still. The water is calm, not moving.
Be still. Be quiet and motionless. This is a different use from the time-related still we've been discussing.
Let's look at yet in more advanced uses.
Yet can be a conjunction meaning but or however in formal writing.
She's young, yet she's very mature, showing contrast, meaning but.
The plan is risky, yet it might succeed. Despite the risk, success is possible.
This use is formal. In casual speech, we'd say but instead.
Yet can also mean in the future or still to come.
The best is yet to come. The best is still in the future.
He has yet to learn his lesson. He hasn't learned it, needs to in future. Very formal.
Let's practice with real-life conversation scenarios.
Scenario 1. Waiting for someone. Is Sarah here? No, she hasn't arrived yet. Really? She's still not here? She said she'd come at 5.
Notice, hasn't arrived yet means the arrival hasn't happened, expected. Still not here means continues to be absent, surprisingly.
Scenario 2. Work progress. Have you finished the report yet? No, I'm still working on it. I haven't completed the final section yet.
Finished yet asks about completion status. Still working shows continuation. Haven't completed yet shows incompletion with expectation.
Scenario 3. Living situations. Do you still live with your parents? Yes, I still live with them. I haven't found my own place yet.
Still live means continuing from before. Haven't found yet means search hasn't succeeded but expected to eventually.
Scenario 4. Plans and decisions. Have they decided yet? No, they're still discussing it. They haven't reached an agreement yet.
Decided yet asks if decision happened. Still discussing, discussion continues. Haven't reached yet, agreement not achieved but expected.
Let's look at time expressions that commonly go with still and yet.
With still after all this time. Still, even now. Still to this day.
After all these years, I still remember. Even now, she still believes it. To this day, they still talk about it.
With yet, not yet, as yet.
Not yet, I need more time. I haven't decided yet. As yet, no decision has been made. Very formal.
Now let's discuss the subtle difference between still and already.
Both can express continuation or unexpectedness, but from different angles.
Still emphasizes something continues longer than expected. He's still here. Surprisingly, he hasn't left.
Already emphasizes something happened sooner than expected. He's already here. Surprisingly, he arrived early.
I still haven't finished. Continues to not be finished longer than expected.
I've already finished. Finished sooner than expected. Surprisingly fast.
They can sometimes both work, but with different emphasis.
Are you still eating? Focus. The eating continues, maybe too long.
Have you already finished eating? Focus. Completion happened, maybe surprisingly fast.
Let's look at question forms with both still and yet.
Still, in questions, often expresses surprise or checks if something continues.
Are you still working there? Checking if the job continues.
Is it still raining? Checking if rain continues.
Do you still love me? Checking if love continues.
Yet, in questions, asks if something expected has happened.
Have you finished yet? Asking if completion occurred.
Has he called yet? Asking if the expected call happened.
Is dinner ready yet? Asking if expected readiness achieved.
Different focus. Still, does it continue? Yet, has it happened? Different focus.
Here are practical tips for mastering still and yet.
Tip 1. Think continuation versus expectation. Still means continues from before until now, often surprisingly or longer than expected.
Yet shows something hasn't happened up to now, but we expect it will.
Tip 2. Check if your sentence is positive or negative. Positive ongoing situation, use still. Negative situation about something not happened, use yet.
Positive ongoing situation, use still. Negative situation about something not happened, use yet.
Tip 3. Pay attention to word position. Still goes before main verb or after be and modals. Yet usually sits at the end of the sentence.
Still goes before main verb or after be and modals. Yet usually sits at the end of the sentence.
Tip 4. Listen to natives actively. Notice when they say still versus yet in movies, TV shows, and real conversations. Context teaches patterns.
Tip 5. Practice both in context about your actual life. Don't just memorize rules, create real sentences. I still live with my parents. I haven't graduated yet.
Tip 6. Remember, not yet and still not have different focuses. Not yet looks forward to expected change. Still not emphasizes negative state from the past.
Tip 7. Test yourself with transformations. Take a still sentence and try making a yet version, and vice versa. This builds understanding of the difference.
Let's practice more sentence transformations to reinforce the differences. I still don't understand. This means I didn't understand before and I continue to not understand now. Ongoing confusion.
I haven't understood it yet. This means I don't understand now, but I expect to understand it in the future. Expected future understanding.
She still hasn't called me. Focus on the continuing absence of the call from past to present. It's been a while.
She hasn't called me yet. Focus on the fact that the call hasn't happened up to now, but we still expect it. Less emphasis on duration.
The store is still closed. The store was closed before, continues to be closed now. Ongoing state of being closed.
The store isn't open yet. The store hasn't opened up to this moment, but we expect it to open. Focus on expected future opening.
Notice how the meaning shifts slightly? Both describe similar situations, but from different angles.
Let's look at more advanced combinations and expressions.
Still yet, occasionally heard, though somewhat redundant. I still haven't decided yet. The yet emphasizes incompletion.
As yet, meaning up to now, very formal. As yet, no decision has been made.
Yet again or yet another uses yet to mean even or still more. This is yet another problem.
Still and all means nevertheless. Still and all, I'm glad we tried.
Let's do a quick summary of everything we've covered today.
Still shows continuation. Something continues from before until now, often surprisingly or longer than expected.
Used primarily in positive sentences. Position, before main verb, after be, and modals.
He still works there. She's still sleeping. They can still help.
Yet shows something hasn't happened up to now, but is expected or asked about.
Used primarily in negative sentences and questions. Position usually at the end.
I haven't finished yet. Have you called yet? She hasn't arrived yet.
Key differences: positive versus negative, continuation versus expectation, different positions in sentences.
Common mistakes: using yet in positives, using still at the end of negatives, wrong word order, confusing not yet with still not.
Special uses: still can mean even more or motionless. Yet can mean but, formal, or in the future.
Remember, still means ongoing. Yet means not happened but expected. Master this, and you've got it.
Before we finish, this is really important. Please subscribe to Daily English Conversation.
We create clear, practical grammar lessons every week to help you speak English correctly and naturally.
Subscribe now so you never miss an episode. Share this with anyone who confuses these words.
Leave us a comment with 2 sentences, one using still and one using yet. Show us what you learned.
Challenge yourself. Today, pay attention to every time you hear still or yet. Notice the patterns.
Thank you so much for listening today. We hope still and yet are crystal clear now.
Remember, these small words make a big difference in how natural and accurate your English sounds.
Keep practicing, keep noticing, keep improving.
This is Daily English Conversation. Don't forget to subscribe.
See you in the next episode.